snow last night. Like, a lot of snow. 18 inches maybe? Maddie loves the snow. Reagan, he does too. But it's just bone-chilling cold out here. Hey everybody, it's Craig. Hey, we have a blizzard going on, and I thought I'd show you a little bit what's been happening here. Someone left the garage door open. Do you believe it? Look at all my stuff. I can't believe it. Now we got some really high winds and just a ton of snow. And you can see the boats covered over there. And it is, wind chills are down in the minus 20s. We're sitting at about 2 degrees, at least we were a few hours ago. And I've been out here snow blowing late this afternoon. It was the first chance I got, but we've got feet of snow and it is just absolutely grueling cold. So I'm not going to be able to really do much in the way of video because it's so cold that my GoPro probably won't be working that much longer because the battery just sucks all the power out. But just wanted to bring this quick little video to you, some pictures I'm going to attach. And thanks for checking out this video. We'll see you all in the next one.